In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this BMW 325Xi. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel. We want to use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. And pull the wheel off. Now I'm going to take this nut off. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. To keep this link from spinning, I'm going to use a 14mm wrench on the back side. You can always use some locking pliers. That's on. Take the nut off. And slide that out. Now in the lower end, I'm going to use the 14mm wrench on the inside again. Keep the stud from spinning. Then a 15mm socket. I'll take this nut off. Take that nut off and grab the link and slide it down. Now slide the new link in place. Put the nut on down below. Oops. For the stud, keeping the stud from spinning, I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on this one and a 15mm socket for the nut. And we're going to torque that to 48 foot-pounds. Now slide the top through the bracket. Put the nut on. And again, I'm going to use the 18mm wrench. I'll tighten this down. And torque the nut to 48 foot-pounds. Then I'll put the wheel on. Take the lug stud, get that started. Just snug one down first, then it makes it easier to put the other ones on. Now I'm going to torque the wheels to 96 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheels down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.